Okay, what are custom fields in point of sale? Custom fields are kind of a utility you can use to uh, make this point of sale fit your business specifically. You can do custom fields for items, customers, vendors, and a couple other things. So what does that mean? You can go on your file menu to Preferences and Company, and then you're going to see under General, My Fields, My Field Labels. So we got, like I said, customer, vendor, employee, inventory, item. Now, let me show you an example. So inventory items. Maybe when you create an inventory item, it doesn't exactly have all the fields you need to enter specific information to your product types. Here I've enabled one. I've called it lead time. And lead time, if you know, maybe you're doing drop shipping or maybe you're ordering after the customer wants the product, lead time would be about the time it takes you to get the product. And so maybe this is a piece of information that you want to save on your items. So if I go to the item list and I either edit or add a new item, let's say I'm editing these cleats, kids footwear, I now have a space here for lead time, and maybe I want to say 5 days. It takes 5 days to get these kids cleats. So back here on the item list, I can right click and go to customize columns, and I can add lead time, my custom column. Now I have lead time here, and now I can see that certain items, such as these cleats, take 5 days. Now let's check out how this might work for a custom field on a customer. I'll go back to Preferences and Company, to My Field Labels. Customer custom field number 1, I've called it driver's license. You might want other specific information to a customer, spouse name, their favorite color, size, shirt, birthday, whatever you want for your customer. I'm going to do driver's license to keep that on file for certain type of custom business types that need a driver's license. I'm also going to do maybe membership level. Maybe you have some sort of membership in your store and it gives people certain benefits. So I'm going to say membership level. Now when I jump over to make a sale and add a new customer when I'm making a sale, it's going to be, you know, Bob Jones. And I have custom fields here. I can put in Bob Jones' driver's license number and his membership level. Let's say he's a bronze member and I want to keep that tracked. So rewards program, different subject. Now if I jump over to my customer list, I can customize my columns. And let me throw on that membership level, the custom column that I just created. Now, membership level is a column here. And if everybody had their membership level entered in, which they don't because I just created it, I could actually sort people by their membership level because I just hit this and it would resort people according to their membership level. So thank you for listening to me for a little while. This was custom columns inside the QuickBooks Point of Sale in order to kind of tailor it to your specific business. You can feel free to use these custom columns and custom fields to organize people for reporting and tracking and just tidbits of information that might be specific to your industry. My name's Peter. Thank you very much. Have a good day.